Right, so a W-2 is the tax reporting form that a person receives if they're an employee. And the first thing the IRS is interested in is whether someone actually is an employee versus what's called an independent contractor. A person who is issuing the W-2 as the employer has a number of responsibilities. One of them is to pay payroll tax, to pay unemployment tax, to pay workman's comp insurance for you, the employee. So there's certain rights that you have as an employee and certain obligations the employer has. The W-2 is the year-end tax reporting that tells you how much you earned from your employer, and we'll see there's a lot more on that form. The W-4 is something that you turn into the employer at the beginning of the year, and it lets them know how much they should withhold for federal income tax from your paycheck. The W-4 allows the employer to use the proper tax withholding tables to know how much tax to withhold from each paycheck. First of all, the first time you get a paycheck, you say to yourself, wait a minute, I thought I was making $500 a week, how come I only have $300 take-home pay? And the answer to that question will be on your pay stub. And what you'll see on the pay stub is partly the same as what you'll see for the whole year on the W-2. So box 1 of the W-2 is the amount of wages. Box 2 is amount of federal income tax withholding from those wages. Box 4 is how much Social Security tax was withheld from your wages, and that's going to be 6.2%. Box 6, how much Medicare tax was withheld, and that's going to be 1.45%. Box 17 tells you how much state income tax was withheld from your paycheck, and in some states, not Connecticut, but Pennsylvania, Ohio, a number of other states have local income taxes, and you'll see the local income tax withheld in box 19. Box 10 is very important. It's a benefit that gets made available to people who have dependents at home. So as you look at the W-2 form, you see there's a number of boxes, but then you need to look at the instructions usually on the back of the form that tell you all the codes for the different boxes. Learning to read it will first of all answer the question, why is my paycheck so small, my take-home pay, but it'll also show other things that are part of your relationship with the employer.